Yeah, idea. Right
metal forks on.
Or maybe just it's better mounting
no, it's just a metal one.
No, just metal forks.
Maybe if you want to get fancy, you can go with the titanium spork.
Oh, there we go.
That's a Kickstarter. I've seen them. They exist. Titanium spork.
Do they actually get funding?
Yes.
I believe so. Yeah.
Yes. I saw them in an actual supply.
It takes heat, doesn't it? You know, you can eat whatever as hot as you want. It doesn't matter.
Exactly.
The guys that like really hot food.
I guess it's used for like.
Now wait a minute, that's important arena hazard there.
What?
Who's taking the forks out of the arena?
Oh.
All of the fork.
I don't know which one's which. Who's Gobble Gobble? You're Gobble Gobble, and that's Sandstorm.
One that says Sandstorm on the back.
Can I see that?
With the camera, maybe.
There
I
you go.
still can't even see that with the glare.
It's lighting as well.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Again, the Beetleweight 3-pound fight. In the red square, we have Sandstorm. And fixing things on his robot still is Gobble Gobble. Gobble Gobble. Gobble Gobble. Okay, Gobble Gobble already losing tires before the match starts. That's great. Gobble Gobble, are you ready? Gobble Gobble's okay, sure. Sandstorm, are you ready? Sandstorm is ready. Let us go in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! Sandstorm comes down quick. A big old vertical blade versus a drum of Gobble Gobble. Gobble Gobble taking a few pops. Sandstorm with some big hits, and that's the belt of Gobble Gobble. At least one of them. I think that's his weapon gone. As Sandstorm now with an advantage. As Gobble Gobble's upside down and without weapon. Sandstorm looking to get a good position. They land a nice hit. Doesn't really want to hit the weapon of Gobble Gobble. Wants to hit the side. Sandstorm getting around to the back, the side, see what he can to land a nice hit. Gobble Gobble doing what he can by just driving into Sandstorm. That's all he can do at this point. Try and push him, try and wedge him. That's all he can do. Sandstorm hitting the drum of Gobble Gobble. Sandstorm now upside down. Gyro dance. It's more interesting when we're both upside down. Gobble Gobble now with a pin. Super aggression. Super driving power. Sandstorm moving Sandstorm trying to self-life now. Gobble Gobble getting him in a position that could possibly lead Sandstorm out of the arena. Sandstorm trying to get that weapon into Gobble Gobble upside down. Oh, there goes the arena ceiling. Sandstorm self-written, ready to attack again. How's our time? 1 minute, 7 seconds left in this 3-minute fight. Gobble Gobble losing. Put him downtown. Sandstorm with the win. The perfect hit. Sends Gobble Gobble into the trash can of doom from downtown. Sandstorm will move on. Up next, we have Duck Spartan versus Wumbo. Raise the Roof versus Smee.